Thank you.
Hammer, right now.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
I'm the boss.
Okay, don't forget your tool belt, boss.
If you how they were the instruction workers.
We're the construction workers? Okay.
If you were the hat,
Okay, boss.
we're
There you go, boss.
and that doesn't
Turn
work.
around, let me show you where it goes. Right here. And these go right here. And this goes right here.
We need to light up a monkey head like you.
One more.
That's not that's a flashlight. It doesn't go.
Doesn't? Oh, let's put your wrench in. Okay? Good to go?
Yeah. Are you ready, Mark?
We're ready to work.
We wear our hats.
Good job. Are you going to saw? Okay. Here you go.
And you
I'll check it for level.
Elsa.
A little bit out of level. Better saw it again.
The baseball.
There you go. Good job.
Now we need more room for that.
Yes.